You like Huey Lewis and the News?
They're okay.
Their early work was a little too new wave for my taste. But when Sports came out in '83, they really came into their own, commercially and artistically. The whole album has a clear, crisp sound and a new sheen of consummate professionalism that really gives the songs a big boost. He's been compared to Elvis Costello, but I think Huey has a far more bitter, cynical sense of humor.
Hey, Albustram.
Yes, Alan?
Why are the copies of the Styles section all over the do you have a dog? A little chow, maybe?
No, Alan.
Is that a raincoat?
Yes, it is! In '87, Huey released this, for their most accomplished album. I think their undisputed masterpiece is Hit to Be Square, a song so catchy, most people probably don't even listen to the lyrics. But they should, because it's not about just the pleasures of conformity and the importance of trends, but it's also a personal statement about the band itself. Hey, Paul! Yeah! Try getting a reservation in Dorsia now, you stupid fucking bastard! You fucking bastard!
He was completely naked and standing on the table. He had no clothes on whatsoever, and he... Patrick, is that you?
No, Lewis, it is not me. You're mistaken.
This is my good friend Patrick Bain. Where are you going? We're going to Nell's father is buying... Oh. Where did you get that overnight bag?
Jean-Paul Gaultier.